I am Dr. Sanjeev Gulati, Director Nephrology and Kidney Transplant, Fortis Group of Hospitals, NCR. Today I'll be sharing with you 7 secrets to surviving long after kidney transplant. I have experience of nearly 4,000 kidney transplants and I have seen that a few patients tend to do much better than others. And I will share with you my experience over the last 30 years as to what is the secret of those patients who tend to do better than others. First and foremost, have a regular follow up with your nephrologist and do your tests from time to time. Kidney transplant surgery is not the end of story just like a gallbladder surgery. It is in fact the beginning of another one. And it has been shown time and again in several studies that those patients who have regular follow up with their nephrologists tend to do the best. He will adjust your medications from time to time, look for any side effects, evaluate for any infections. So it is mandatory that you should have a regular follow up as advised by your nephrologist. Second, and the most important, don't forget to take your medicines. Yes, it's not an easy job. You have to take this, especially the immunosuppressant medication. There are 3 medications, one namely steroids, second tacrolimus, third mycophenolate or azoran as per your nephrologist prescription. And you have to take these medicines time to time, day in and day out. You miss even a single dose of these medicines, the kidney is going to reject. And I've had several patients over the last 3 decades where they were doing absolutely well. But the moment they forgot their medicines or they ran out of the supply, the kidney rejected. So please take your medicines regularly. Third, follow a healthy lifestyle and do regular exercise. This is very important because it has been shown that the incidence of heart disease in kidney patients even after kidney transplant is very high. So if you do regular exercise, you make sure you do not gain weight, do regular meditation, you'll make sure that your weight is not gained and you live a healthy lifestyle. Fourth, if you have high blood pressure, please check your blood pressures regularly and keep your blood pressures under strict control. Again, several studies have shown that patients whose blood pressures are better controlled have a much longer kidney life as compared to patients whose blood pressures are high. For kidney transplant patients, even a blood pressure of 140 is considered a high blood pressure. In fact, the lower the blood pressure, the closer you are to 120 by 80, the longer your kidney survival will be. Fifth, if you have high blood sugars, please control your blood sugar. A lot of patients have got diabetes before transplant, and after kidney transplant, again the sugars will become high. So they need to be on regular medications. Again, a few subgroup of our patients develop what we call post-transplant diabetes or new onset diabetes after transplant because of the immunosuppressant medications. So these patients tend to have a much shorter kidney survival. So if you have high blood sugar, please make sure that you consult your nephrologist and keep your sugars under control and keep a regular watch on your blood sugars. Sixth, make sure that you are completely vaccinated. Infections are one of the biggest problems that we encounter after transplant. There are several infections against whom we have got excellent vaccinations available, namely pneumococcal, influenza, and now COVID-19. It is mandatory that we make sure that vaccinations for all these patients are continued and complete even after transplant. For influenza, you require a regular annual vaccine. For pneumococcal infections, you require vaccine in once in 3 to 5 years, and make sure that your schedule for hepatitis B vaccine is also controlled. Last and seventh, stay positive. Yes, there can be times where you have a rough phase after kidney transplant. You can develop infections, you can develop rejections, but I have seen time and again that those patients who have a positive outlook, like many other things in life, even after transplant, those patients who stay positive, who pray, and who have the willpower to do better, do get better with our medicines. So if you follow all these 7 principles, I am sure all of you are going to have long-term kidney survival. Thank you. And if you like our